As of late 2025, Tesla does not officially support custom lock sounds through the Tesla app or the car's settings. While the default horn sound can be adjusted for volume under settings greater than vehicle, greater than locks, greater than horn on lock, with options for quiet, normal, or loud, there's no built-in way to upload or select your own audio files. This limitation is consistent across all Tesla models, including the Model S, Model 3, Model X, Model Y, Cybertruck, and Roadster. Despite the lack of official support, resourceful Tesla owners have explored unofficial methods using third-party tools and APIs. These typically involve tools like Tesla's Mate, a data logger for vehicle monitoring, and Tesla Pi, a Python library for remote API access. These tools can send API commands to potentially trigger custom audio files using the car's media system when the lock command is activated. Users often upload WAV or MP3 files through scripts or integrations like a Raspberry Pi. However, these methods often require jailbreaking or modifying the car's firmware, which comes with significant risks, including voiding warranties, software instability, rollbacks, or bans from Tesla's over-the-air updates. Success rates are around 50% due to recent security patches. Modifying your Tesla's software can lead to several issues. Tesla's software updates are designed to detect and block unauthorized audio uploads, making mods less reliable. Attempting these modifications could void your warranty. This could lead to software rollbacks or bans from over-the-air updates. Security patches are also making these mods harder to execute successfully. If you're considering unofficial methods for custom Tesla lock sounds, you need to understand the technical requirements. Custom sounds are triggered by CAN bus commands within the vehicle, which require specialized tools to intercept and modify. Audio files must be in compatible formats like MP3 or WAV, and ideally under 1 megabyte in size to work properly. These files may need to be uploaded via USB drives or network shares to the vehicle's system. Keep in mind the limitations. These modifications often require unofficial firmware changes, which can void your warranty and risk software instability. Even if successful, custom sounds must comply with local noise ordinances to avoid legal issues. There's growing demand for vehicle personalization in the EV market, with 35% of EV owners wanting more audio customization options, up from 20% in 2023. While Tesla currently prioritizes safety and security over customization, they have not introduced official support for custom lock sounds. Future updates might include limited sound packs or official ways to customize lock sounds, possibly through an app store. AI and IoT integration could also bring features like voice-activated confirmations in the future. One real-world example involves users successfully implementing custom lock sounds using Tesla's Mate software combined with a Raspberry Pi. They upload custom WAV files through API scripts, allowing automated sound triggers when locking the vehicle. Another example comes from YouTube tutorials demonstrating Tesla Pi, a Python library that allows triggering custom MP3 files, such as a wolf howl, when locking the Tesla vehicle. However, these real-world examples come with significant caveats. Users frequently report Tesla app crashes and compatibility problems following software updates, which can disrupt the custom sound functionality. Experts suggest Tesla avoids custom sounds to maintain brand consistency and prioritize safety. User surveys indicate a strong interest in custom lock sounds, but only a small percentage have attempted unofficial methods. Success rates vary, with some attempts causing glitches or requiring full resets. The EV audio customization market is growing, but Tesla currently lags behind brands that offer more sound customization options. Before attempting any modifications, be aware of the risks involved. Tesla's policies prohibit unauthorized modifications, and attempting them could void your warranty. Instead of risky mods, consider the official alternatives, such as adjusting the volume of the default horn sound in the vehicle's settings. Always prioritize the safety and reliability of your vehicle.